Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is franchise. Franchise is a noun that means the right to operate a business using another company's name, products or services, and system, or the business operating under that agreement. For example, she bought a restaurant franchise, allowing her to open a location under a well known brand while following the company's established menu and business rules. The studio expanded the fantasy franchise with a new television series featuring characters and stories from the same fictional world as the original films. After years of losing seasons, the basketball franchise hired a new coach and rebuilt its roster, hoping to become competitive again within several years. Synonyms for franchise include license, concession, dealership, authorization, and permission. Franchise is often used in business, entertainment, and sports, and it refers to a branded operation, connected series, or team organization rather than just one product or location. That's franchise. One word, stronger English.